Hey guys, well we're at Beccles, pushing back on the runway. We've started to run the engine. We seem to be alright at the minute. We'll get airborne and head northbound. Makes life a little bit easier. Right. Just stop the car down a little bit. In the red here. That's the just the way the power is, you know. You trim the power. Have it about halfway. You've got a controller for it. Brings your speed down reasonably, and it brings it out of the red. All you gotta do is trim it up, which I'll do now. I don't know if that was a plane or what, that one with the tallest, looked like either. Oh, birds. Nice looking plane though. I think we'll go like so. Good. Lots of birds. I mean, looking on there, we've got another airfield up on the top there, so you do short flights up a minute. So this down here would be Lowestoft. Just hang a right along with the harbour. Swing round to the north after that. Shipping there at Lowestoft. Yacht holdings there. Barra Port. Doesn't take any of the big boys. It's a small craft. if you live forever, you could actually go visit all these places. Good, I suppose. I see you going to that big ship up there. Where he's going. Look at that island. I can't see anything anywhere else. I think you better turn around, mate. You're in the wrong boat. Look, he's just sitting there. Hey. We got here. Goleston on Sea. Well, I'm visiting places I've never heard of. Bradwell is the town over there. Yeah, I've heard of that. Looks like the wind's going northbound. Good. Got a few planes in the air today. It's quite a nice beach. Some cafes and proms. Wind farm. What a lot of rubbish they are. Say it's for the environment. It was for the environment. Do something totally different. I mean, you need electricity to start for a start off. A bit like electric cars. Don't bring our bills down, do they? There's a little airfield down there somewhere. Is this Kelster? On sea. It's interesting. According to the maps, we should be on 3,500 on this trajectory. Never mind. Aha! California, that's what this place is called. Scrappy. We got New York, so why can't they have California? Grimsby St Michael's across there. A ship bus out there, I think, just behind me. Window as well. Excuse me. They're actually going down, and I don't want to particularly go down. That's because our engine is. So we might go into EGIK, because it looks like a pretty good. We've got a major airport across there, but I want to try and keep going north if I can. Yeah, I've got a new board coming for me computer. It's 5 USB to be plugged in, so I can get rid of all the beeps. Can't get rid of this Windows Microsoft slow thing. I suppose we can go on offline. That might be one way of getting rid of the stunners when you record. Fuel's not too bad. Across there is Horsley. Bit out of our eyesight, so there anyway, over the side of those lakes. And this one's more in line. Waxham, that's this place. Wackham, yeah, it's Waxham. Got a thing called Sora on the maps, which is where this outjut is, spelled S-R-E-R. I don't know what that is. It's on the national, on the main grids, so maybe it's a bird sender. Doesn't give us a lot of information, to be honest. Oh, it's a magnetic variation point, apparently. It's a correction beacon for aircraft. Something's interferes maybe with the signal. So as we come along here, the top corner there, that's when we start looking for the airport. This is Happisburgh. Looks like they've got a nice little church down there. off the centre. Ships have gone down, can't see any more ships. They all seem to be down the old south coast there. This is Walcott. This area up here near Eddington, which is a little bit at 11 o'clock position, is a no-fly zone. It seems to be. It's got a big red circle around this area. Why it's got that? Maybe it's military. Certainly quite a big complex too. We're in the red zone. Get back up to Munsley, Muntesley, Munsley. Well, Munsley would be a good place for Harry Potter, wouldn't it? Because Muddles live there. Is that what they call us? I can't remember. It's been a while since I watched Harry Potter. On outskirts where I live, there's shack houses, bog houses. I'm not too certain which of them I would want to live. There's another correction on here. Bagpa, which is another transmitter correction. There, where those lines are. See it on top of the hill. That's a transmitter. This is where we're going to start to turn inwards for our airfield. Side strand. So this little area here is called Side Strand, and this is where we're going to turn in. If that one got two airports here. There's a little one as well. We'll go for the bigger one, I think. That's the little airfield down there, you see. That's it. Let's turn to the heading 22, which will get us down. That's a puddle lines. I think the other one's a grass one. So birdies. So we've got a major airport across this way, as you can see on the maps. That's just behind us. So a bit course with the southern one. where the big one actually in the centre there was green. That's where we are. Just turn right a little bit. Stick some flaps down. Stick our undercarriage down. Some three greens. That's good. We'll put our flaps down. Drop our speed down. That across here. There's one strange piece of land that looks ahead of us now. To see if that's it. That's the problem is when you're flying. You see a lot from the air, but ground, you know exactly where you're going. In the air, trying to catch an airfield that's grassy or even tarmac, it can be a problem. House down here. I'm zooming. See how far we're off. Still 20 miles. But a bit further inland than I wanted to be. Beccles, that's where we're above now. Hempstead. So 15 miles. The airport's just come on there. Just gone across Beccles and Hempstead. That's Grisham over there. We have Holt. As well on the location. That might be on in the maps. Which is good for you to know your distances. Hunworth. Be able to see the airfield. Put the right slightly. scenery is very good, isn't it? Study. S-T-O-D-Y. Exactly this. Britain is ahead of us. Across Britain. Gunthorpe is just before we cross the trees. Gunthorpe. The airfield. Return to it now. Yeah, first factor. Right, so there's the runway there. Okay, great. Still got 3 greens. Flaps are down. Feet on the pedals. Just lost. Nope, I've just lost my aircraft. My pedals. Really? Oh. I lost the computer. I lost everything there. Luckily, just before we crashed. That's not good. Okay. Not the block. Try again. Why do things happen like that? That's why I'm getting bored. Swing around, swing around. Some of them CC what's going on here. So that would be the runway there. Okay. Take a slow turn. myself a little bit more of a it's supposed to have more than 2 runways this place, but I only saw one. There she is. We'll get down this time, eh? Oh, there is 2 runways. That's our runways, taxi grounds, eh? Cool. They do get these runways small, don't they? Too fast. Too fast. That's not a runway, it's really ridiculous. Definitely too fast. Yeah. The controls were not working properly. A rolling takeoff is not good. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just going to stop. Swing around, come back in. This time we'll get a low down. There we go. Not better. Not gonna stop. Not gonna stop. Oh my goodness gracious me. Got no engine on and we're still going forward. What the hell? Oh, really? Oh well, never mind. We survived. On to the next one, lads, on to the next one. Cheers!